Now, not exactly a full weather story, but Justin, you've lived in an area like that with a lot of snow. Never had to deal with anything like that, though, I imagine.
My goodness, I could not imagine. I mean, the scary part is like coming up on the lift and seeing that and knowing there's nothing you can do to stop it at that point.
You have to ride it and hope for the best.
Goodness gracious, thoughts for those people who had to go through that. Absolutely scary. So, but here back on the Suncoast, it's been absolutely warm this week, and in fact, Tampa almost beating their record temperature today. Wow. Now we're talking about a little bit of rain. Not a lot. We saw a few drops tonight, but no worries, folks. It's not going to be a washout. We're talking a couple drops of rain over the next 24 hours. That's about all we're going to see. Let's take a look at the time frame. Here we go. As we go into the rest of the night, you can see this is a widely scattered chance. What I mean by that, about 20 to 30%. Similar to what we saw this evening. A few showers down in South County, down in Charlotte County, and then a couple of raindrops here in downtown Sarasota, and then it was gone. That's what we're talking about overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then as we're heading in your day tomorrow and then heading into Tuesday, that chance is really going to start to drop back. By tomorrow night, that chance is pretty much null and void. It is gone at that point. We should continue to stay dry as we head into your Tuesday. This is all part of a front that's going to be heading into our backyards. As we can see, there's that little bit of rain that we saw that moved through South County, as well as a couple drops here in downtown Sarasota. As we take a little bit further look out across the state, we've had some isolated showers down here in South Florida moving into parts of Key West, but it's to our northwest is what we're watching. Let's go ahead and take it full screen. As you can see, the further that we get out towards the north and west out in the Gulf, there's where that cold front is making its appearance closer and closer. So let's zoom a little further out. There's the front. You notice it looks a little scary and mean right now. We've got a couple thunderstorms with it, but you'll notice the trend from going through Alabama and Mississippi, those tornado watches, to now there are no watches out. That's showing what it's doing. It's weakening as it continues to glide further and further south, and it's going to continue to substantially do that by the time it gets here. Let's time it out for you. Overnight tonight, we'll stay mainly dry for most folks, but again, that drop of rain's not out of the picture. Tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, a few showers off coast. Here comes the front. There's the clouds associated with it. We'll get a break with some sunshine here in our backyards from 10, 11, 12 o'clock. And then as we head towards 1 in the afternoon, there's the front moving into northern Tampa Bay. And we'll see it continue to glide further south, moves into Sarasota between 2 and 3 o'clock. But at that point, not pushing a lot of moisture out of it. You can see the main showers over on the Atlantic side. I think as it presses a little further south, it may spawn a few heavier showers down towards the south, closer towards the Everglades. But for us, it's not going to be as big of a problem. Once it clears out late in the evening and through the overnight, we're really going to watch these temperatures drop. It's going to be much cooler for the rest of the week. Tomorrow's our last warm day for the next 7. Otherwise, Tuesday continuing to stay dry. Now, I want to talk about the winds because with this front, one of the things is going to be the winds, especially for my boaters out there. So let's take a look at the time. Monday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you notice the winds starting to pick up from off of the mouth of Tampa Bay. But then Monday evening, we're getting those winds picking up. Take a look at that into Monday night. Tuesday, we're talking winds up to possibly 20, 25 knots. So we're likely going to see that small craft advisory be put out as we head into late tomorrow. Morning time tomorrow shouldn't be too big of a problem. A light to moderate chop, southwest to westerly winds 5 to 15 knots. That puts our seas at 2 to 3 feet. By the evening, though, that's when you want to bring the boat in, especially even to Tuesday. Continue to see breezy conditions. 71 for Tuesday, and I've got a 20% chance of showers late Wednesday. That's another front that moves through that's going to reinforce cool air into our backyard. By Thursday, we're only at 68 degrees. Grab the jacket for those early morning hours. By next weekend, temperatures only topping out in the lower 70s. Chase?
Thanks.